your moral science class. I will start unit 4 on the page number 19, healthcare. How to care your health. So there are some points like first, preventing infection. When you infected from any injury, how to prevent it? First of all, cover the wound as quickly as possible with a sterile or clean dressing. Before applying the dressing, wash hands carefully. It will also be good to wash off the skin around the wound with soap and warm water. Do not breathe, talk, cough or sneeze into or over the wound. As much as possible, keep fingers out of the wound. Do not touch the surface of the dressing which will be placed next to the wound. Make sure a tetanus injection is taken at the right time. So these are the some points which is preventing infection. Next is the preventing blisters. Blisters is what? A painful swelling on the skin or also filled with watery liquid. So first point, to prevent a blister, use gloves, socks, a bandage or similar protective covering over the area being rubbed. Special athletic socks are available that have extra padding in critical areas. Try attaching cotton or soft fabric to the inside of the shoe where it might rub, such as at the heel. When we shop for shoes, shop during the middle of the day. Our feet swell throughout the day. So a midday fitting will give us the best fit. We should also measure our feet occasionally because shoe sizes change throughout adulthood. Moreover, we must leave enough room for toes. Be sure we can comfortably move the toes. Next, prevention from the cold and flu. So there are some points. Let's see. As much as possible, keep away from those affected by cold. Get enough sleep and eat well. Eat fruits that contain vitamin C. Wash hands before eating. Wear warm clothes. Do not expose to extreme colds. Next, prevent the spread of disease. So first point, use boiled drinking water. Next, cleanse and disinfect all things that have come in contact with the sick. Use vaccination on the advice of the doctor. Do not neglect colds. They are the beginning of many other diseases. Moreover, they are also communicable. Keep the sick room clean and free from flies, insects, mosquitoes, etc. After recovery, cleanse and disinfect clothing and premises. Sick children should keep away from school until the doctor advises a return. So in the first box, stay hydrated. When sick, sip water, juice and other clear liquids all day. Staying hydrated helps your immune system fight sickness. It can also help loosen mucus and replace fluids. Use laws from blowing your nose. Keep a healthy supply of drinks right at your desk. So these are the some points which increases your immune system. So which is fighting from your sickness. And next, germ spread. Germs are often spread when a person touches something that is contaminated with germs and then touches his or her eyes, nose or mouth. So here are some winter care and summer care. In winter care, first keep active. It will improve blood circulation. Eat fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins and minerals. Prevent catching a cold or flu. They spread by sneezing, coughing and hand contact. Do not forget your socks and gloves. Exercise regularly. Sleep well to keep the body's immune system healthy. If you are ill, be sure to drink plenty of fluids, including water, hot tea or soup. Do not forget to drink water. So these are some points according to the winter care. In summer care, drink plenty of water, eat more fruits and vegetables, drink diluted electrolytes, stay indoors during heat waves, cancel strenuous outdoor activities, dress should be loose fitting. So these are the some summer cares points. So you should follow these points as compared to your season. So in the next video also you will try the question answers and exercise. In next video I will show you question answers and exercise. Thanks a lot.